quantity problems, which are basically a combination of mole to quantity and quantity to mole. So instead of having 5 steps for original mole to mole problems or 6 steps for other ones, we have 7 steps. Our first step is balance. And as always, our second step is given and unknown. Our third step is the same as the quantity to mole, and it is because you need to have moles in the mole ratio, you have to convert given into moles. Step 4 is the mole ratio. Step 5 is substitute. Step 6 is solve for moles. And step 7, which is the same as mole to quantity, the final step there, is convert to the quantity that you desire. So let's do a problem and let's work through how to do these. So let's say 29.0 grams of PbNO3, so lead 2 nitrate, react with sufficient amounts of potassium iodide. How many liters of 0.500 molar KNO3 are produced? So in this question, we have 2 numbers, and we have to figure out which ones are given and are unknown. But before we even do that, let's do the balance. So this is going to be a double replacement reaction when you look at what the reactants are, PbNO3 plus Ki, and they react to form PbI2 plus KNO3. 2 there, the 2 there, and we have our step 1. Step 2, now this is the tricky part on these. Since we have 2 numbers, we have 29.0 grams and 0.500 molar. The grams are, we can convert those without having any other information. So that's going to be our given. Molarity, you need more information than just one number. You need at least 2 numbers. So our given is going to equal 29.0 grams of PbNO3, 2, and our unknown will be X moles of Ki, and we're eventually looking for volume. So step 3, we need to do our conversion. So 29.0 grams times 1 mole over the mass of PbNO3. So lead has a molar mass, lead's very heavy, so lead has a molar mass of 207. And then we have 2 nitrogens, which would be 28. And then we're going to have 6 oxygens. So 6 times 16. So we get a molar mass of 331 grams. So 29 divided by 331, and that's going to equal 0.0876 moles of PbNO3, 2. Our mole ratio, given over unknown. So in this case, our given is PbNO3, 2. Our unknown is Ki, and the ratio is 1/2 from our balance. Step 5 is our substitution stage, and we're going to say 0.0876 moles equals 1 over x 2. So x is, we're going to cross multiply, and x is going to equal 0.175 moles of KCl. So that will be step 6. And finally, step 7, we need to convert it into volume of a liquid. So remember our volume, we have moles divided by volume will equal moles divided by molarity. So our volume will equal 0.175 divided by 0.500. So that will give us 0.350 liters of KCl.